Are you experiencing floppy lever syndrome? You may want to consult a doctor. Or if you own a Spartan mower and your control levers are getting a little loose, it's a quick and simple adjustment. We're shooting another video. By the way, my name is Nick Pomeroy with PR Equipment. Simple adjustment. I've seen this on a lot of mowers. It's kind of annoying though. It's kind of a pet peeve of mine. I really don't like it because it just doesn't feel tight and new. It's a very simple adjustment. Here again, it kind of goes back to the root cause here, which is when these mowers are brand new, everything's kind of painted, nothing's really seated. So when they torque them down, they come in tight. But as you do this a few times, they get loose. So I wanted to show you just how simple of adjustment it is. All it requires is a 9/16 wrench, and I like to use, you could do it with two 9/16 wrenches, but it makes it a lot easier if you've got like a ratchet, an extension, and a 9/16. But I'm gonna hop off here and show you. And this is actually a brand new mower, but I loosened them up to prove a point. So you'll just pop your seat up like this. And so there's a tension bolt right here on either side. It's right here. It's a lock nut, and there's a couple little friction washers in there, and that's what's going to be setting the friction. So all you got to do is coming in from the back side here with your socket, and that's why it's nice to have that extension and that deep well socket on there. And you'll come around and hold that bolt and just put a little bit of tension on there, and so now you can see we're back to feeling like we're new. And in our experience, what we've seen is once you do this once, it'll actually hold a lot better. It's just kind of when everything is seating that we seem to see these things kind of get loose, but you may have to adjust it once or twice. Keep in mind, just a very simple adjustment. I'm gonna do it one more time over here. We're just gonna put, and you'll feel when it gets tight, and then you can tell. So anyway, like I say, just another short little video, just kind of pointing out some of the things you can, that might need adjusting on your Spartan mower after you use it for a little while. And like I say, we just want to drive customer, performance here. We want the best customer quality or perceived quality that we can get. Once again, I'm Nick Pomeroy with PR Equipment. If you guys have any other issues you'd like us to address, feel free to message us. Give us a shout, 903-270-0877. You can check us out on our website, prequipmentsales.com, on Facebook at PR Equipment LLC, or on our YouTube channel. Thanks, guys.